Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing this silver, really classy, elegant makeup look. So I am using a really affordable brand as well. It's the No. 7 eyeshadow palette, and this is the Glamorous Nudes eyeshadow palette, which is like this. So it's got some silvers in, a blue, purple, some nudes, and all of them except from this one here are shimmers. So yeah, it's a really quick, easy makeup look, which I love. I love a good quick and easy makeup look. Just can't go wrong. So yeah, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use some of my Match Perfection powder and just kind of set this under my eye, because there is quite a bit of fallout that comes out of these eyeshadows, and I have just done my base, so I'm just gonna put some of that under and kind of all around this area like that, just so that then it's easier to kind of sweep it away once I've finished. So the first colour that I went into were these two here. So these two silver shades, and I just went in with a flat brush. I did spray my brush just because I find, especially with shimmer shades, having the brush a little bit damp helps to kind of secure the product onto the eye. And then I literally just applied this, just get my brush and just kind of blend out any creases. I literally just applied that onto my lid. It's super easy and a really quick eye look. I wondered where my palette had gone then. It's in my hand. And I love silver and red. I think that they are just like the ultimate Christmas colours. So just applying that all on the eyelid. Just add a little bit more to this side. Blending it up a little bit as well. And then just getting a brush and just kind of blending out any areas that need just a little bit more. Okay, so I then went in and did a little bit of a wing just to kind of elongate my eye a little bit. So I just took an angled brush like this and my V palette, and I just took the shade Goodnight, which is this black, and I literally just looked into my mirror and just followed along where my eye naturally kind of fades outwards, and just blending as you go. I then took my eyeliner in the Misguided one in the shade Espresso and just ran that into my top lash line, just to make the lashes look a little bit thicker. And then using my Huda Beauty eyeliner, I just went into the inner corners. And then with the brush that I applied the colour with, the shimmer, just went underneath the eyes a little bit. And then taking the brush with the eyeliner on, well, the bit that we did the wing on, and just taking that just along the bottom, just to kind of give a bit more of a deeper lower lash. And then to kind of tie all the eye together, I went in with a eyeliner, a nude eyeliner. I just went in with a nude eyeliner and just put that into. Okay, and then I added my mascara. So the mascara I used was the Sky High Maybelline. For eyelashes, I just went in with some from H&M Beauty, which I have been really liking recently. They're really thin and kind of just like your eyelashes but a little bit longer, and they have a really thin eyelash band, which is perfect for this kind of look. It's not too heavy on depth. So I just apply these with my tweezers, which I can't find. So now that the lashes are on, I'm going to just apply some mascara to my lower lashes. And I'm just going to dust away this powder. Put a little bit on the other side because I think it looks more smoother. Having a bit of, I'm just going to let that set for a second. So whilst that's setting, the lipstick that I have on is this liquid one from Nars. It's in the shade Star Woman, and I really love it. It's a matte finish and it's comes like this. Super pretty. I actually got it from a Nars event I went to a few years ago, and it's one of my favourites. It's a nice red. There we go. I'm going to just add a little bit more blush. And here is the finished look. I do have my top on. So yeah, if you've liked this look, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again with another video, I think on Friday. I think this is going, so because I'm working Monday right through to Christmas now, I'm having to pre-film all of them. I normally kind of film them maybe a day before or on the day. So I think the last video might have been a gingerbread house that I'm about to go make now for Friday, that was on Friday. So if that is the case, I'll leave that in the description. Go check that out, see how that goes on. I don't know, but yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again with another video. I hope you had a nice Christmas as well, because Christmas was yesterday. It's Boxing Day, it's the countdown to New Year. I'm going to maybe film a New Year's look as well. So yeah. Thanks for watching.